We're diving into a quick and easy way to remove unwanted reels from your Instagram feed in 2025. Whether you're tired of irrelevant content or just want to clean up your feed, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Using the Not Interested option. First up, the easiest way to remove bad reels is by using the Not Interested feature. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Open Instagram and scroll to a reel you don't like. Step 2. Tap on the three-dot menu at the bottom right corner of the reel. Step 3. Select Not Interested. Instagram will then show you fewer reels like that. Over time, this helps Instagram learn what you actually want to see. Step 2. Unfollowing accounts you don't like. If you keep seeing reels from a creator you don't enjoy, it might be time to unfollow or mute them. Here's what to do. Step 1. Tap on the creator's profile. Step 2. Click following and choose unfollow or mute. Step 3. If you don't want to unfollow, just mute their posts and reels. This way, you stay in control of what appears on your feed. Step 3. Adjusting Reels preferences. Want to take it a step further? Customize your Reels recommendations. Step 1. Go to your profile and tap the menu 3 line in the top right corner. Step 2. Now look for What You See tab, select Content Preference. Step 3. Here, you can manage topics you like and block content categories you don't want. Step 4. Clearing your search history. Instagram also suggests reels based on your searches. If you're seeing random or weird content, clearing your search history can help. Step 1. Go to Settings and Activity. Step 2. Tap your activity, Recent Searches. Step 3. Clear your search history to refresh your recommendations. Bonus tip. Reporting inappropriate reels. If you come across a reel that's offensive or inappropriate, report it. Step 1. Tap the 3-dot menu on the reel. Step 2. Select Report and choose the reason. Step 3. Instagram will review it, and if it violates guidelines, they'll remove it. And that's it. Now you know how to remove bad reels from your Instagram feed in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let's keep our feeds clean and enjoyable. See you in the next video.